It's Bigg Vic TV. Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. It's Bigg Vic TV. Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Give me a thumbs up just for the intro.
What is up, family? It's your homie Bigg Vic, and we back in the building with another video. Today, I hope I don't sound too weird. I just decided that I wanted to do something about this grill. It wasn't super bad. You know, I've seen bad before, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get these things real pretty. Alright, but let's go ahead and jump into this video. So if I sound a little weird, I'm still trying to get used to how these braces feel on my teeth. Let's jump into the video. Alright, first and foremost, shout out to everybody that I've been running into, spotting me at a drive-through, spotting me at AGS 1, AGS 5, Appleton, Georgia, CLT 9 in Charlotte, and just various other places that I may pop up at. So shout out to everybody, shout out to y'all. I want to talk about the box truck business and why I feel like this is a six-figure cheat code. I'm going to tell y'all the reason why this is a six-figure cheat code. Every single day, every single day. Every single day somebody needs something shipped. Every single day freight is moving, even on Saturdays and Sundays. Even though you may go to the load boards, DAT or truck stop load board or 123 load board, whatever load board you may go to, you may see freight on there that it's picking up on a Saturday. It's not all the time, but most times you pick up a load on a Friday, it's going to be dropping off on a Monday. But it's freight that's moving. It's freight that is continuously moving. So you really won't be without work. Like it's very rare that you'll be without work. The only way you'll be without work is if you decide not to book a load that day and you're chilling. You're taking a couple of days off. But it is a six-figure blueprint. You may not even want to do six figures. Six figures may not be for you. You know, you may be comfortable with 50 grand a year, just extra on the side. That's totally up to you. Like I said, everybody's gonna run their business differently. But I didn't get in this business to make 50 grand. I got in this business to make multiple figures. Let me give you guys a quick tip. Here's a quick tip. Here's a quick tip. If you want money, solve people's problems. That was good. If you want money, solve people's problems. I purchased a box truck. I started solving people's problems. I purchased a second box truck. I continue to solve people's problems, and I'm continuing to solve people's problems now. If you want to make the most amount of money, you guys, learn how to solve people's problems. If you can fix problems, you won't have no issues with getting some of this. And this is universal, worldwide. I don't care what country you go to. Whenever you do this right here, everybody knows what that means. Moolah, chavo, dinero, money, pesos, guap, loot, cash. It all means the same thing. This right here. Let me drop this on you. So the way things work in my business, that may not work for your business. Okay, so let me just say this: do what works for you. I'm gonna repeat that. Do what works for you. The way I operate my business, I have the time freedom to kind of move around like I see fit, like I want to. You know, you may not have that same time freedom. However, you have to squeeze, the time in to build your business. Squeeze that time in, get it in. However you have to get it in, but do what works for you. Several different YouTubers out here that have several different ways that they build their business. Box truck couple, you know, they run tire routes. They also run Amazon freight. Also do things off the DAT load board. So they're doing what works for them. Trucking out the box. They have 5 rental trucks. You see what I'm saying? Like, they have 5 drivers. They have a program that they run over there. That's what works for them. That may not work for you. You get what I'm saying? WJ, you know, WJ runs Amazon. He runs things off of different load boards. You know, he does some things with some different shippers out there in Virginia. He's doing what works for him. I feel like people look at, you know, what we do and how we run our businesses, and they try to run their businesses exactly the same way that we run our businesses. And how we run our businesses may not work for you. That's why I say do what works for you. You may find some dedicated things in your city, you know what I'm saying, that works for you. I did the interview with Dom. You know, she's doing what works for her up there in Jersey. So every carrier is going to have a different methods that they use to build their business. You get what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, this box truck business is literally a 6-figure blueprint if you run your business properly. Like, I can't repeat that enough. If you run your business correctly, this is a 6-figure business. But you have to run it accordingly. You have to run the business that way. You have to run your business and treat it as if it is a 6-figure business. It can be a multiple figure business for you, you know. Just another quick side note. So the money that you see people post on YouTube, I just want to make this loud and clear. The money that people show that they make on YouTube is not going to help you, not one single bit. What is going to help you is the information on how they were able to obtain that money. That's going to help you more than anything else. So me posting, you know, numbers, it's good for the algorithm, for people to click on it, for people to watch it. It's cool, it'll get you some views. But at the end of the day, if you're one of those serious people, some of the videos with the least amount of views have the most amount of information in them. Ooh, that was good. I'm gonna repeat that. Some of the videos with the least amount of views have the most amount of jewels, gems, information inside of them that you just overlooked because you probably looked at how many views it had and was probably like, oh, that video ain't lit. Let me go to the next video. Let me go to the one that said he made $30,000 in a month. Let me go to that video. So that $30,000 video might not have no information in there to help you start building your business. All right, now let's get back to what I was talking about. Shout out to everybody who watched these videos and decided to go get you a truck and start making you some money and start changing your life, like start changing your financial situation. Like, y'all, this is different. This is different right here. Like, this is an opportunity to where, you know, people are changing their lives. People are changing their financial situations just from buying a truck, non-CDL truck. Some people have CDL trucks, but non-CDL trucks for the most part, you know, that's what's been the most attractive thing for most of us, you know, that wanted to get in trucking. Is like, yo, I need a CDL. Like, most people are like, I don't feel like going to school, going to get no more training and get a CDL. But, you know, if you get a CDL, of course your bag is going to be a lot bigger, you know, for the most part, you know, if you're handling your business right out there, you know. But if you're working for a company, that might be a little different. Some people work for companies still do quite well, you know, not knocking the people that do run for companies, like that work directly for companies. But listen, it's a whole nother bag out here, y'all. This is a whole different type of bag out here. A whole different type of bag. Like I just got a call, like I'm about to go like 60 miles, like 50 something miles, and I'm gonna grab $600 real quick, and I'm here chilling. I was just gonna be just creating this content for today. I was gonna take today off, half of the day pretty much, but This is a different type of situation right here. Different. It's different. You set your business up right. You know, you book your loads correctly. You would have just created a 6-figure a year cheat code with your truck. It's just as simple as that. It's as simple as that. So 10 grand a month will put you at approximately $120,000 a year. So technically, that's a 6-figure income. Can you make 10 grand a month with the box truck? I don't even have to answer that question, because you can make pretty much what you would like to make with your box truck. Have I done 10 grand with my box truck in a month? Absolutely. If I did 5,800 in a week, do you think I could do 10,000 in a month? Easy. All right. So yeah, it's the money is there, y'all. The money is there. The money is there. Money is there. The money is there for those that want it. The money is there for those that are hungry. The money is there. Think of the biggest corporations out there right now. Think of the biggest corporations you can think of. When they are super successful, what are they doing? They're solving people's problems. Amazon, what are they doing? You can't wait for 2-3 days. You want your stuff quickly. You need prime delivery. You want it in 1 day. You guys know we live in a microwave society. People want things right now. Drive-through. I'm hungry. I don't feel like fixing no food. I need it instantaneously. I want it right now. I'm going through the drive-through. Don't feel like getting on my car. I want it now. Solve people's problems, and your money problems will be no more. Point blank, period. It's this simple, guys. Listen. If you can solve $1 million problem, you can make $1 million. If you can solve $1 billion problem, you can make $1 billion. If you can solve $1,000 problem by running a load that somebody needs ransomware, you're gonna make $1,000. How many times do you have to do that throughout the year to get to 6 figures? Whew. Well, I'm dropping it today. I'm feeling good. I'm dropping it today. And we just talking. Let's just chop it up. This is like we having a conversation right now. Solve people's problems, y'all. Bottom line. Bottom line. Solve their problems. That's the blueprint. That's the cheat code. That is the cheat code. If you've ever been wondering, how can I get rich in this country? How can I make the most amount of money in the least amount of time? Solve problems. Fix problems. Provide a solution to people's problems. There's all your problems gone. Poof. They disappear. At least most of them. This is probably one of the best decisions I've ever made in my life. Straight up and down. It's opened up so many other doors for me that I didn't even know was going to open up for me. Like this has been amazing for me. Like this journey is just incredible right now. Incredible. Because I took action. You got to be an action taker. You know? You can't be so analytical that you overanalyze and never move and never make a move. This is the cheat code. This is the cheat code. 1 million people may not watch this video, but to the 100,000 that may possibly watch it, only 5,000, maybe 1,000 may actually take action on the information that gets shared through this video. And that's real talk. Only 10% of the people that hear the information will apply it. And that's classic. Like only 10% of the people that are listening to this information are going to actually apply the information and start making money. Yo, shout out to everybody that took action and went out and got a truck. Shout out to y'all. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to everybody that took action. Shout out to everybody that did a consultation. That shows me like how serious you are about really going out here and making some things happen. You know, I look at them people quite differently, you know, that decide like, yo, I really need to get more information. Like, I really need to tap in with somebody that's doing this thing like right now. You feel what I'm saying? So shout out to y'all for that. And shout out to the 6-figure box truck business course members, because they all took action. They're all very serious, and they all I give my time to these people because they've shown that I'm serious about changing my financial future. You know what I'm saying? I'm serious about starting my business. It's only fair. It's only fair. You know, so quick plug, if you haven't got the course yet, you got about 14 more days before the price goes back up. So it is what it is. It's your homie Bigg Vic, man. Y'all know what it is, man. I've been talking long enough. I'm gonna go ahead and be over and out. Tap in. Shout out to the haters too. Shout out to the haters that don't want y'all to get a box truck and start making money. Shout out to them. Shout out to the haters. It's all good. Because guess what we gonna do? We gonna eat. We gonna keep eating. And we gonna make sure we eat good out here. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? So you already know what it is, man. Smash that thumbs up button. Hit that subscribe button if you're brand new. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. You got your truck already? Are you getting your credit straight? You know, if you need a credit plug, holla at me. You know, every now and again I do come across trucks for sale. So if you're still looking for a truck and trying to buy one, let me know. Drop it down below in the comments. I may be able to run into somebody selling a truck. I may be able to, you know what I'm saying, pass the information along to you. So holla at me. Holla at me. It's the homie Bigg Vic TV. Always hustle, never stop growing. I got these brokers calling me right now. I'm gonna holla at y'all in the next video. Peace.